In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Looker Studio in just about 5 minutes. Let's begin by navigating to the internet browser of your choice. Whether you fancy Chrome, Firefox, or anything in between, it doesn't quite matter. Your next step is to enter the web address, https://lookerstudio.google.com/ into the browser's URL bar. As you hit enter, you'll be whisked away to the home page of Looker Studio, Google's premier data visualization and business intelligence tool. It's a place where data comes to life through interactive reports and dashboards. Now, upon landing on the Looker Studio page, you'll notice an inviting button that reads, "Use it for free." This is your gateway to accessing the full suite of Looker Studio's features without dipping into your wallet. Go ahead and give that button a click. It's the first real step into the Looker Studio world, where the power of your data begins to unfold in front of you. After clicking to use Looker Studio for free, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Here's a little tip: make sure you use the email associated with a Google account. That way you'll seamlessly integrate with Looker Studio and all its collaborative features. There's something magical about how Google connects all its tools, and Looker Studio is no exception. Type in your email address and move forward with anticipation. Following the entry of your email address comes the critical moment of entering your password. It's a crucial step, ensuring that your data and reports are securely housed under your account. After you've typed your password, a welcoming login button awaits your command. A simple click here acts like the key, turning in the lock of your digital data door. Congratulations are in order as the final step materializes before your eyes. You have now logged into your account. The world of Looker Studio is at your fingertips. A realm where data isn't just numbers and charts, but a narrative waiting to be told. As you find yourself logged in, take a moment to orient yourself. The Looker Studio interface is designed to be intuitive, empowering users to start creating and exploring data visualizations with ease. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or a curious novice, Looker Studio offers a spectrum of tools to cater to every level of expertise. Before you dive deep into creating your first report or dashboard, there are a few navigational tips worth mentioning. The sidebar on the left is your primary navigation tool. Here you can access different reports, visualize data, and explore various templates to kickstart your projects. Don't hesitate to click around and familiarize yourself with the different sections. Experimentation is a great way to learn. One more thing. Looker Studio is not just a solitary experience. The beauty of this platform lies in its collaborative essence. You can easily share your reports and dashboards with team members or stakeholders, ensuring everyone is aligned and informed. To share your work, look for the share button, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. It's as simple as entering the email addresses of those you wish to share with, giving them access to the insights you've uncovered. To wrap it up, our journey today might have been brief, but it's the beginning of a profound exploration into the data that shapes our world. Looker Studio is more than just a tool, it's a lens through which we can interpret and understand the story behind the numbers. So, go ahead, dive into your data and let the visualization journey begin. Remember, every piece of data tells a story, and with Looker Studio, you're the narrator, ready to unfold the chapters that matter to you and your audience. Thank you for joining me today, and happy analyzing.